Hi, in this video we will see how to crop a video in a circle. So this is the clip and this is the object you wanna crop in a circle. So select the clip and go to effect control and here search crop. So drag the crop effect on your timeline. Now we have crop in a effect control. So here are ellipse mask, then click here and repositioning it, and here are size you can change according to your object that you want to crop. Alright, then invert it. Next step, there are cropping from left, top, right and bottom. So you can crop from right, just come here and do like that. Let me play the clip. Now we have seen how to crop video in a circle, but to repositioning it, click on a motion and you can resize this clip or this cropped video, then play it again. So today we have seen how to crop video in a circle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.